Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online Herbs Store. And I have developed this project in ESP Sharp and MySQL. The version for the MySQL I am using the 5.6 and I am using Visual Studio 2017 IDE for developing and running this project. For server, I am using the IIS server. So this is a web application. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, integration of the date calendars, creating drop-down menus. I have used the jQuery plugins. So these all technology stacks I have used for developing this project online herbs stores. As you know, in the current era, in the current days, most of people are focusing on the Ayurveda and herbs. So we have developed this project for making their task easier. So he will be able to order the product from our website, right? So let's start with the functionality. Go through that what we have implemented inside this project. What the functionalities available. So this is the web-based project and this is a mini project because it has only customer panel. There is no admin panel available inside this project. So if you need admin panel, then we will integrate it also and deliver it to you. But currently this is a mini project. So in mini project we have added only the customer login, customer operations, right? So let's start with the functionality. Go through. So this is the homepage of the project, right? So for running this project you need to import the code into the Visual Studio, and after that, after importing the database, you can run this project. So once you run the project, you will get this dashboard. So you can see this is the home page, and these all are the hubs coming on the home page. These all hubs are coming from the database, right? So this is the home, this is about page, this is a static about page, and there is nothing dynamic on it. This is all hubs. So all of the hubs which you have added into the database will be displayed here, right? So currently we have 12 items. So all of the 12 items you will be able to see. Once you click on the view details, you will be able to see all of the details of the herb. This is all herbs. This are naturals. These are some of the filters. According to that, you can filter out the products, right? So this is the registration from where you will be able to register, and after that you will be able to log inside the system. There is a restriction inside of the system. You will not be able to order the product without having user id and password. So for creating your user id and password, you can register, and after that you can log in with that user id and password. This login, from here you will be able to log inside the system and you can buy the products. So the user id is customer and the password is test. If you want to create your own user id and password, then you can click on the register and you can enter all of the details and you can register on side the system. Once you log in, then you will get this dashboard. So here, from here you will be able to see all of the details. Once you click on the my orders, you will be able to see all of the orders. Once you click on the details, you will be able to see the details what you have placed in that order, right? This is a change password, from where you will be able to update your account password. Now I am going to buy some of the herbs. So once you click on the all herbs, so you just click on the view details and click on the add to cart. Then that item will be added into the cart, right? Once you click on the view details, then add to cart, then there are two items you have added into the cart. Now I am going to add one more cart, this one, and add to cart. So you have added three items. If you want to remove any item, just click on the delete, that item will be removed. So total amount you have to pay 720 rupees. Once you click on the proceed to payment, then you will get this payment page. This is a dummy payment page. There is nothing external transaction we are doing. This is the total dummy page. No need of entering any credit card details. You need to enter just any of the bank details, right? Here the drum month, expiry date, visa type, and the CVV number. Total amount you are going to pay 720, and this is the non-editable field. You can't edit it. Once you click on the make payment, that payment will be saved and your order will be placed, and you can see your order number is 22. Once you click on the print receipt, then this page will open in the printable format and you can print it through your connected printer. You can see your all of the placed order in the my order sections. This is my orders, and once you click on the details, you will be able to see the details, right? This is the logout. Once you click on the logout, then this alteration will be destroyed, and above customer related menus will not be displayed. So you can see customer related menu is not displaying because it is session driven. But if you log in, then you will be sorry, I think uh, customer user login and customer and test. right? Once you log in, then you will be able to see your section, my orders and change password section, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside the Spirit Online Herbs store. And as I told you earlier, this ASP C Sharp and MySQL web-based DBMS mini project, and I'm using Visual Studio 2017 for running this project. If you need more functionality in this project, if you need admin panel inside this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest causes. Thanks for watching video. Thank you very much.